I'm going to be teaching you pre-algebra, up there, rotational symmetry, 11.5. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys is basically the definitions of what we're working on 11.5, and the first one I have is rotation. And a rotation is a figure by an angle about a fixed point. And then the second one is the center of rotation is the point about which the figure is rotated. And the third one is the angle of rotations determines the extent of the rotations. And then this part right here is going to be with this example. So point P right here is an example of the center rotation. So right here, what I talked about is right here too. The angle of rotation is formed by the rays that connect the center of rotation to the pre-image and the image of the rotation. So that's basically what this is talking about. So, and then right here, I show you the definition of basically rotational symmetry, and it's a figure in a plane has rotational symmetry if it can be mapped onto itself by a rotation of 180 or less. Any regular polygon has rotational symmetry, as does a circle. Here are some of the examples of the with rotational symmetry. And there are just some that you can turn basically any way and it would equal back to its, or look like its original. So, like a square and some circles. And then rotation about the origin. And it's rotation of the points AB about the origin 0, 0 gives the following results. And then I drew a chart to show where it would end up using AB. You can use anything, but you can use this chart to kind of show you what it would look like. So if the pre-image point is AB and the clockwise rotation was 90 degrees and the counterclockwise rotation is 270, the image point would be B and negative A. And you can basically use any number, so if you use like 3, 4, the image point would be 3, negative 4. And it's the same way with the next pre-image point, using AB again. The clockwise rotation was 180, and the counterclockwise rotation was 180 degrees again. The image point would be negative A, negative B. Same thing, AB, or 3, 4, if you use 3, 4, it would be negative 3, negative 4. And then, same thing with the pre-image point, again, AB. The clockwise rotation using 270, and using the counterclockwise rotation of 90 would be negative B, A. And then if you were using 3, 4 again, 3, 4, it would be negative 4, 3. And then, same thing, pre-image point, AB. The counterclockwise rotation, 360, and the counterclockwise rotation, 360, would be AB. And that makes sense because, I mean, if you turn a triangle 360, it would be its same. So, yeah. So, same thing, 3, 4, and the image point would be 3, 4. And that's basically all that I have today. I hope you guys like it.